Hello everyone. Today I am Shivam with all of you and I am going to Hello everyone. It's me Shivam. Today I am going to explain you offline editor Scratch. So you all know that this is our basic Windows. I am stopped. I will not explain you online editor anymore, but I will explain you offline editor. I will start explaining you this. This window works offline. This doesn't need internet to work. If you're working on Wi-Fi, then you can use online editor. But if you're working on some fixed data usage, then you can use this. This doesn't take internet at all. But every Scratch, this offline editor, as you can see in the description box, I have written some learning points. So they were usage of online editor better, and there are some secrets. Now you can check the title. There was, in everything there is some secrets, but in Scratch there are many secrets that are hidden. I was just exploring last night and I found various secrets there. So first of all, this I am going to explain you offline editor once again, and then I am going to carry on with some secrets that are hidden in Scratch. You all must be working on Scratch continuously and being bored. There is a lot of shortage of way that we could do and make our projects. So let us just find some secrets here. First of all, I'm going to explain you offline editor. So when I was explaining my first video, that was basics and introduction of Scratch. That was my first video. I told you everything about offline editor. Same like is online editor, just there are a little bit of differences, but mostly there are similarities. Okay, so first of all, you all know these motion, looks, sound, pen, data, events, control, sensing, operators, and more blocks. So these are all, but here you can see data. This is a kind of complicated tool, you must think, but this is a variable thing that when we used to work on the online editor, we used to see that we could find variable, but real thing is data. So this here, instead of variable, we write it as data. We represent it as data. So this is known as here. So this can be known as a different. So this is same, make a variable. So make a list and everything is just like same. But here you can see these 4 keys are the main 4 keys. This means to shrink. You can shrink. Suppose I click this tool and I want to shrink this cat. And if I want to grow this cat, so I can grow it. I can make it as much as but. I can grow it. And this is the delete tool. I don't like this cat anymore, so you can delete this. And here this is the choose a sprite from the library. Suppose I want to choose a baseball here. Okay, click on OK. I suppose I want to also create a sprite. Okay, let me create a sprite, maybe a circle, fill it with yellow color maybe. Okay, and I want to upload a sprite. Suppose I want to upload this car. And suppose I want to click a photo. So this can be also set. Suppose I want to click a photo, you could click your photo and upload yourself as a sprite. Okay. So, and here is the same. You can choose a backdrop from the library. Suppose I want to choose this brick wall. And I want to paint a backdrop. I don't like that one. I want to now. You can suppose I want to paint my backdrop again. Let's make it white. And suppose I want to paint my backdrop with fire. Suppose I want to make fire here. So this is my one backdrop. Okay. But this is a great tip. This is a great fact that you can insert infinite sprites. You can insert infinite sprites, but you can insert only one backdrop and as much as sprites you all want. So I think you're all clear with offline editor. So now I'm going to start a new project, and this time I'm going to explain you some tricks, some tips and secrets. So first of all, the secret one. Secret number one is a very interesting secret. You know, when you make something, you must have feeling that I can send it to someone as a video format. So suppose I did this code for the cat. So when flag is clicked, so I take this forever, maybe move 10 steps, if on edge bounce back, and set rotation side left and right. So you can see my cat is moving. Now I want to send it to someone, but how will they see that my cat is moving in a video format? So to make it in a video format, just stop it, click here file, you can see new, open, save as, and you can see here record project video. So when you click here, you click on start, and then just click on the flag. Now you can see here it will record your video, and you can stop anytime you want. Suppose I am done recording now. Now I will click on file again, and you will see an option stop video. Just click here, and it will take some time writing video to a file. Then wait for some time, and then it will show you an option called save and download. Then you will see, suppose I want to save it here. So I will save, I'll name suppose I want to name it as cat. Okay, then I will click here at save. I really don't want to save this, it's not necessary, so I'll just delete it. If you want to save it, then click on back to scratch. So this is tip 1, where you can record a project video. So tip 2 is you must be fine. Suppose you are not familiar with Scratch, you are not suppose you are not familiar with Scratch, you are not able to get anything, how to move it, fly. So just click here on about. Sorry, don't click on about, sorry. Just you will click on tips. Here when you click on tips, you will see getting started with Scratch, animated and make music, create a Pong game. So this will show you how to make anything in Scratch. So I am going to tell you in the next video how to make a Pong game. Actually, I didn't search from here. I'm making kind of different type of Pong game. The Pong and the paddles, right? This time I thought to tell you, but I just found some secrets, so I did not tell you. But in the next video, that will be tomorrow, I'm going to explain you each and everything of Scratch about a Pong game. Okay, now you must be wondering how will I need to select it also and duplicate it at the same time. How will I do that? So you just go to the top corner, and you will see in this profile duplicate. So you can just click on here, and it will select as well as duplicate this sprite. Now if you, let's check if this can duplicate with coding also. Okay, suppose I want this coding here. Okay, delete this, and let's see. Okay, now let's see. Wait, it duplicated with the coding also, or you can just right click and duplicate. So the next tip is that you know, I found something that you can make an extension as well as a block. Suppose I want to make this extension. So okay, so now you can see when this button is pressed, this is an extension, and if you want to make a block, you could name your block. Suppose I want to name it as define. Maybe I want to name it as define. Click on OK, and then you will see this block, and you see more blocks. Make another block, and suppose this time I want to name it as variables. So variable, okay. So okay, now you can see define variable, and then operators. I'll tell you how to use these blocks to make your project, but this time I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you after 3 or 4 projects we are going to start making with blocks, making our own blocks. So you can make your own blocks as well as extensions. Now here comes another tip. Now this is the tip where you can sense. Now sensing usually means you can your sense organs that have sense. So these there's some keys that you might not be understanding, but these I will explain you later. But there is a secret hidden in sensing. Now suppose you go to backdrops. You can code in a backdrop as well. In the animated poem we were coding in the backdrop, but in sensing, your backdrop can ask what's your name. So I want to suppose name it as when this flag is clicked. So ask what's your name and wait. Okay. And then okay, now see, when I click the flag it asks, so I'll put my name. And correct. So this could be when you start a game. Usually when people start a game, they want to ask what's your name while playing. So this you could ask, suppose another time, so it will ask again. So this time I want to name it as James maybe. Okay. So this is, it will always ask your name. You can put the same name or a different name, it won't matter. So now you can record your own sound. So this is also a good tip, that you don't like sounds and you want to record your own sound. So for recording your own sound, suppose click here, play sound pop, click on the arrow and it will show you an option called record. Just click on record and then it will. So see, I am starting recording with the help of this. Wait a minute. Delete this pop. Delete this pop one. Okay. So suppose I want to say hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you have any doubt, write in the comments. So I said this. Now you can see this will show you this, and when you go to scripts you will see an option called play sound recording 1. Just see. Okay, so suppose I want to say hello everyone, welcome. So there is some problem in my voice out there, so you can just go to okay. Now another tip is, the Scratch is a very fast calculator. Remember when we made the calculator in the Scratch, you also, yeah. So before I do another trip, this is the half of the trips. I have half more tips. So to keep going on, click the like button, and if you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get notified with my new videos. Okay. So now Scratch is a very fast calculator. So this Scratch, this can do various things. This can do various things and fast calculation. To make it do fast calculations, here is a key called operators. So this is equal to plus, minus, multiply and division, and this is all mathematical type. Okay, so this operators is just related to mathematics, and you can here is plus, minus, multiply, division, and you can pick random to 1 and 10 also. You can make it greater than, less than or equal. You can join, hello world, you can better than 1. These are all. Now another tip for Scratch is you can go to looks. This looks, you can create your own costumes for a sprite. When you click here, just delete it. I want not this. So just click here on, suppose I want to take a costume from the Scratch library. Now just click, suppose I want to take a transport. Suppose I want to take a car bug. So let us take this. So let us choose this. Now you can see I have costumes. Now to prove that I have costumes, you will just it's not supposed to shoot. Delete this clone. Okay, now you can see it has its own a second sprite as its costume. So delete this code and let us write the script for this as when this flag is clicked. Looks, switch costume to costume 2. So you can see. Wait, let me check. Okay, so this is as it. Okay. So suppose I want to say hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. So thank you everyone. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Bye, and please like, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified with my new videos. So thanks everyone, thanks for watching. In the next video we'll make a Pong game.